Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 22nd December. Let's start. In the year of 1241, on this day Mongol chief lieutenant Bahadur Ter Hulagu Khan captured Lahore. In the year of 1666, on this day Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th and last Guru of Sikh, was born. In the year of 1843, on this day, Rabindranath Tagore's father, Devendranath Tagore, joined the Brahma Samaj. In the year of 1851, on this day, the first goods train in the country was run between Roorkee to Piran Kaliar, Uttarakhand. In the year of 1882, on this day, the first Christmas tree was decorated with bulbs made by Thomas Edison. In the year of 1885, on this day, Ito Hirobumi became the first Prime Minister of Japan. In the year of 1887, on this day, mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan was born. In the year of 1910, on this day, postal savings certificate was issued for the first time in America. In the year of 1947, on this day, the Parliament of Italy adopted a new constitution. In the year of 1958, on this day, Tarak Nath Das, one of the famous revolutionaries of India, passed away. In the year of 1975, on this day, Basant Desai, the famous composer of Indian cinema, passed away. In the year of 1978, on this day, Thailand adopted the constitution. In the year of 2008, on this day, the group of ministers constituted to look into discrepancies in the salaries of the armed forces submitted its report to Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. In the year of 2010, on this day, US President Barack Obama signed homosexuality legislation, paving the way for homosexuals in the military. In the year of 2020, on this day, India and the World Bank signed a US $500 million loan agreement for the development of green national highway corridors. These corridors will be constructed in Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, and Himachal Pradesh. In the year of 2020, on this day, US President Joe Biden appointed two Indian Americans, Vinay Reddy and Gautam Raghavan, to the White House. He has been appointed as speech writing and deputy director of the Office of Personnel of the President, respectively. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Asian Development Bank had announced a loan of 2100 crore rupees to the Tripura government for the development of urban areas and tourism in the northeastern state. ADB's headquarters is situated in Manila, Philippines. Establishment of ADB in 9 December 1966. In the year of 2020, on this day, ICICI Bank has launched an online platform, Anant Bharat, to support foreign companies to set up or expand business in India. ICICI Bank headquarters is situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. In the year of 2020, on this day, the government of Karnataka had unveiled the Farmer Registration and Integrated Beneficiary Information System Fruits, an e-government portal. This is to create a repository of agricultural land information and agricultural loan details on a single platform. Today is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. It is celebrated every year on 22nd December. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.